Hello world, siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys and today is another vlog. Unfortunately or fortunately, I'm leaving Bali for a while, going to the new country in Southeast Asia. At the end of the video I'm gonna let you know when I'm arrive. Winnie unfortunately had to stay. She's in Nusa Penida for a few days. She's working. If you wanna know answers why I'm travel alone again, you can watch yesterday's video. I'm gonna put the link in the comment section. Meanwhile, this is the situation in the airport in Bali International Airport, international departure. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the airport today, and stay tuned. I can promise you the new series from different country gonna be super interesting, and you can guess where I'm going in the comment section. Maybe you're gonna guess. I can promise you you will like it. Some people already arriving, flying out of Bali. Well, this is the hall going. It's still very quiet actually. There are some flights today. It's definitely more than I was flying out in April. The only gate departure A and B are open. There are some guests, I mean the tourists. All the restaurants are still closed. And let's have a look how it's look situation on arrivals. If we are already in the airport, also very quiet actually. This is still very long until it's gonna be busy like it used to be, that's for sure, guys. You have a there is of course the duty free if you're interested, with the Balinese music in the background. If you would like to buy some perfumes, duty free, or some alcohol drinks, it's open, but after that not much. But there are some people traveling out. Definitely big improvement to the last time when I was here in April. I remember I used to fly 12 April. It was definitely much more quiet. And this is the Arak Bali with this beautiful Ogo. You can buy. This is very nice thing for the gift if you are flying out of Bali. Really nice. Okay guys, I'm in. I'm gonna show you the airport situation today from the different perspective, from the gate number 4, and let's see if some restaurants are open. I'm gonna tell you some are open, and it's definitely much more busy than I was flying in April, guys. So the biggest difference, gate number 4, huge queue for the coffee. There is the coffee kiosk, and seems like the other gates are open as well today. Here was the barricade in April and nobody can go any more further. And definitely more and more people walking, passing by. So definitely, because if you remember maybe last time when I was here, there was nobody here. I mean empty corridor. More and more people passing by. However, all the big restaurants like a Hard Rock and the other espresso bar and the other big restaurants what were here, they are still closed under the, well, some kind of refurbishments. But many people flying out of Bali actually. Here we go, everywhere. So seems like Donut King shop is the best performing business in this airport, because the queue is actually horrendous. Little duty free if you would like to buy some cigs or liquor. And Bali United store is open, guys, for every Bali United fans. So definitely it's better than it was, but it's still long journey until the previous stage, guys. But when I'm gonna come back, definitely will be busier, and probably next year maybe all will be open again. BNI bank and money changer is open if you would like to exchange some rupiah at the end of your journey in Bali. The premier lounge is open for every members who have a yearly pass. I used to have it, now it's open. And the one cafe here, food galleria, is open. It was closed, it's open now, and it seems it's packed. Look at the queue. I'm not sure even if I have enough time to wait today, but yeah, it's getting better and better, that's for sure. And just having some coffee before departure. Boys busy today. Check this out, the queue over there, not so bad. Big a lot of tips for them. Check-in time, boarding time actually. Boarding time. Flying today by Air Asia. They come back, so as they advertise, now everyone can fly. I fly too. Let's see. Boarding. I have emergency seat, the best seat in the full entire plane. 12A and 1214, rows 12 and 14, guys. That's the best one. VIPs like. And you may think why this is the best seat in full entire plane, because it's so much space, guys. Highly recommended to just spend extra few dollars and having a seat like this one. Of course, if you have you are allowed, because you cannot be too young and something like that. Let's see how many people flying where I'm flying today by AirAsia. AirAsia is not my favorite airliner, but definitely better than the Ryanair in Ireland or in general in Europe, but now you have not much options anyway.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away?
Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you. Bye. Oh, bye-bye. See ya. Just landed. Here we go. That's the pretty nice looking airport indeed, guys. Only AirAsia here. Alright guys, just landed. Can you guess the name of the airport yet? First SIM card, guys. Really very important SIM card. If you are looking for SIM card, this is the shop. It's called Digi. $10 for 25 GB unlimited. Actually 25 GB. Alright guys, just got the internet now, looking for the Grab car, taxi, go to the center, and I'm gonna tell you at the end where I'm going. Meanwhile, the sunset is so beautiful here. I don't know if you can see anything, but 7-Eleven first. This country have a 7-Elevens, guys. The sun is so sharp as my skin looks. I am totally sunburned. That's not true. They have dry ginger ales here. I really love this drink. Also, very interesting fact about this country where I am. I just wanna give you a tip. I want you to guess. 90 days free visa on arrival and 0 questions asked. That's unbelievable. I really love this country because of that. One of things, and I have so much sentimental memories to this country, guys. See you on the city center. Meanwhile, the airport situation also looks pretty busy. Quite a lot of people. And the sunset. Anyways, just waiting for the Grab and just realize my driver is the lady. Very nice.
Don't shy lah, they all very enjoy one. After dinner, I send you back to your Zealand. This morning, I sent a customer from airport to Genting Island.
Alright guys, I'm gonna show you at the end of today's video my hotel for today, because some of you guys may be interested about how the hotels looks like. This is 4 Points by Sheraton in Chinatown. I got this room actually for 4,500 points, Marriott points, because I'm a member already for a longer while, so it's technically for free. Looks pretty decent, and desk, everything like a hotel, you know, that's a 4-star hotel. In case if you would like to stay, it's about $50 American if you pay, or you can get this for points for free, right? So this is it, guys. I really wanted to show you where I am today. However, I'm so tired right now. It took a little bit longer than I was expecting, guys, to be honest. Also, the plane was delayed 1 hour, of course, AirAsia and stuff like this. Anyway, tomorrow I'm staying only 1 night in this hotel, and tomorrow I'm moving to the apartment because I'm gonna stay here for a longer while, guys. More, you will know everything about where I am, what I'm doing tomorrow. I hope so you stay with me, bear with me, guys. I'm pretty sure you're gonna really enjoy the series. To take a rest, I also need to go somewhere, have some shops, buy some drinks and stuff like this. Thank you so much for being with me, guys. I really appreciate all your comments or your likes. Tomorrow another video from the place where I am. Some of you probably already know. You can comment below because I give you so many tips. Actually, if you ever been in this place where I am now, you for sure should know that you will enjoy it for sure. Thank you so much for watching today, and see you tomorrow as always.